Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to resize images or photos on the Google Docs mobile. So here I've already opened a file on my Google Docs which has image on it. So when I click on the image, if I want to resize, you can see when I pinch the screen, it will do nothing like this. It will only zoom in and out. So what you need to do to resize the image is click on the three dots icon at the top and enable the plain layout first. This one, and okay. Now click on the image. Let's click on the click on the image here. Okay, you can see there is now dots or circle in on the each edges on the image, and to resize you can just drag the circle like this. To make it small, just drag it like this, and to make it big, just drag it like so. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the things. Bye.